Episode 41, Week 41's usage from the 5th of October to the 11th of October. As usual, the setup's in the description below, but moving straight on to the mileage on the cars, we've done 53 miles in the e-Golf and 53 miles in the Model 3, so totaling 106 miles for the week. The generation meter is now reading 32,484 kilowatt hours, which has given us a 50 kilowatt hour generation for the week and 3,582 kilowatt hours since the start of the 2020 logs. The eddy is now reading 1.79 kilowatt hours for the month and 275 kilowatt hours for the year. And we've imported 202 kilowatt hours for the week, and that's now 7,918 kilowatt hours since the start of 2020. And moving on to the Tesla data, and the differences between the Tesla data and the meters may start to become clear why that's been happening, because there's been an announcement been made today from Tesla about some smet2 smart meters which are basically reading wrong, so we could all be owed some money back if that turns out to be the case. But we had a home usage of 239 kilowatt hours, a solar contribution of 48.2 kilowatt hours. We got 94.1 kilowatt hours from the Powerwall, and we pulled 204 kilowatt hours from the grid, where the imported meter was showing 202 kilowatt hours. So we're only 2 kilowatt hours out for the whole week, and we had a 0.4 kilowatt hours sent back to the grid. And for the daily breakdown, on Monday the 5th of October we pulled 22.7 kilowatt hours from the grid with nothing going back. We got 10.2 kilowatt hours from the Powerwall. We had a solar contribution of only 3.5 kilowatt hours and home usage of 23.3 kilowatt hours. And you can see from the big tall blue lines that the electric boiler's been kicking in quite consistently this week. On Tuesday the 6th of October we pulled 26.9 kilowatt hours from the grid with nothing going back. We got 12.4 kilowatt hours from the Powerwall. We had a solar contribution of 5.7 kilowatt hours and a home usage of 32.7 kilowatt hours. On Wednesday the 7th of October we had a grid pull of 33.1 kilowatt hours with 0.2 going back. We got 11.2 kilowatt hours from the Powerwall. We had a solar contribution of 9.3 kilowatt hours and a home usage of 36.5 kilowatt hours. On Thursday the 8th of October we had a grid pull of 22.5 kilowatt hours with nothing going back. We got 15.4 kilowatt hours from the Powerwall. We had a solar contribution of 6.5 kilowatt hours and a home usage of 28.7 kilowatt hours. And on Friday the 9th of October we had a grid pull of 23.2 kilowatt hours with nothing going back. We got 14.9 kilowatt hours from the Powerwall. We had a solar contribution of 4.7 kilowatt hours and a home usage of 27.9 kilowatt hours. And over the weekend is normally the time when we do the car charging, because it tends to be a bit cheaper on the Octopus Agile tariff. But on Saturday the 10th of October we had a grid pull of 29.6 kilowatt hours with nothing going back. We got 16.1 kilowatt hours from the Powerwall. We had a solar contribution of 6.9 kilowatt hours and a home usage of 38.6 kilowatt hours. And finally, on Sunday the 11th of October we had a grid pull of 46.5 kilowatt hours with nothing going back. We got 14 kilowatt hours from the Powerwall. We had a solar contribution of 11.7 kilowatt hours and a home usage of 51.7 kilowatt hours. And that's the end of week 41 from the 5th of October to the 11th of October. So thanks for watching. If you've got any comments, please add it to the section below, and please like and subscribe.